sorry guys, I'm having a bit of technical difficulties. Hey guys, so in this video I have Ipsy for the month of April 2020. It finally arrived. If you want to see what's inside, keep on watching. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Simply Steph. That's me, although the title might be changing. You know, the name of my channel very well could be changing. I have a name in mind, but I'm going to put it to you guys in my next video. The one listen, I have the Try Beauty box. They didn't send me one item it was like a promotional item that they gave me, but it didn't get sent out. It was supposed to, but they made a mistake. So they're sending it now. Tell me, do you want me to unbox that as is? And also, do you want me to do a small try-on portion, like, you know what I mean? I mean, of course, it won't be long. I'll try to like speed it up a little bit so that you can see the actual stuff in motion, or what? Let me know in the comment section below, would you please, so that I don't open the box, you know, because I haven't opened anything yet. I do know what's in it, but because I looked at the spoilers. But anyway, I do know that I could probably make a look with what's in the box. Actually, that's what they say, a full face of makeup in one bag. Okay, so it's my first time ever unboxing it. Maybe I should just undo it, and then next time, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what you want me to do with that subscription. I have it, it's here, and I'm not going to film tonight because I've already filmed 4 videos, and I'm going to wait. So you have a couple days to make a decision, but please let me know. Do you want me to, well, actually I only have like 2 days. So let me know in this video, if you will, if you want me to go ahead and do a look with it. And in case you're wondering what I have on my face, somebody, well, a couple people have actually asked me. On my eyes, I have from the Glam box this month, I have this palette. Very simple look. I went on this all over my eyes with this one, the crease in this one. I darkened up the outer corners here, and I put this one on my lid. Very simple, and I ran this one underneath. Very simple. Took me 20 minutes. It probably looks like it, right? But I blended. And then on my cheeks, I have the Park Avenue Princess palette for the bronzer and the Ofra blush. On my lips, I am wearing another Glitz Glam product. This is actually their product, that they make this, and I love this. This is lip liner, guys. You can fill in your whole lips with it, but I didn't. I just lined them. And you can use it in your waterline, which I did. I do have it in my waterline. And on top of it, I went, and I used my what's it called? It foundation mixed with the Smooth and Dewy from, who is it from? Maybelline, I think. Fit Me. The Fit Me foundation, Dewy and Smooth in the shade 110, and I have the It foundation in the shade Fair. I mix them two together. That's what I use on my face. Also, I just got a really cool product from BuzzAgent.com. It's the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better it's setting spray. It contains hyaluronic acid, coconut water, and aloe vera extract. It says it's supposed to make your makeup last up to 16 hours. No, but it does feel good on my face, and I'm not sure it has coconut in it. I'm going to see if it's going to make me break out, but it hasn't so far, so we'll see. It does, I don't know about making your makeup last longer, but it does, like, melt everything together, so, and it makes you, it does, like, after I put my powder on and stuff, which I use the Becca Hydrating Powder, it makes everything come together, and it feels like, you know, I don't have anything on. Then, on my lips, like I said, I lined my lips with that liner from the Glitz Glam box. Love that liner. Oh my god, I can't wait to get another one. And I did get another free product along in a different box. It's a different campaign from BuzzAgent. This is BuzzAgent. This is one campaign. The second campaign I got accepted for was Lancome. These are, they're called Absolute Mademoiselle Balms. Okay, if you can see that. What they are they're like lip balms, but they're lip plumpers. And let me tell you guys, I lined my lips, and then I went in with this shade. It's just a wash of color, but it feels so good. And not only that, it really does plump my lips. It's amazing. I like, this ain't gonna work. Lip balm, really, you know? And all it does, it doesn't like burn. It doesn't even tingle. It's just like a minty sensation. And I went over it with this one is called Plum Pink, which is the pink one right here. And then I went over it with this one is called Ice Cold Pink, and it's just a very like light pink. It just gives it a little shimmer, and they feel so good on your lips. And they're minty, and they do plump your lips, absolutely. So there's that. Okay, so moving right along. Oh, and my mascara is my tried and true Lorac, the primer part, the blue stuff first, and then I went in with the Thrive. Okay, so there you have it. My concealer, I can't tell you what it is. I just can't because I don't know. I got it in a L'Oreal testing panel, and I don't know what it is. It's something that is either coming out on the market, already is, or I don't know. I have no idea. They look like this. It's a tester, and I love it. It sets itself, so I don't have to use powder under my eyes because they're very dry. Okay, sorry. Moving right along. Ipsy GlamBag Plus for the month of April. It finally got here. Holy crap, thank you, Jesus. I have no idea what's in this bag, guys. I will tell you that. None. We're going to whip through this because this is my last video for the night. Cannot wait. My makeup's been on for a very long time, except for that lip gloss I just put on. That was it. Okay, so the label is off. I took it off, so we have the bag, and yeah, okay, so there's that. Now, again, don't mind the background, like I said. So the first thing, wait, let me just get I know there's a card in here. I am going to cut myself with this razor. There you go. Okay, so here's the card, and the theme for this month is Full Bloom. Okay, yeah, Full Bloom, and it does have, oh, actually, it does have the products here and the prices. Okay, so the first thing that wasn't in the bag is this, and this is Luxie Beauty. So this is a Luxie brush. Ooh, I'm liking this. This is a Luxie, what does it say what's on it, what it is? Luxie Large Shader. So there you go. And it does have that ombre effect on the handle. I'm really liking that. And there you go. It's a if you can see that. It's a large flat shader. I don't have enough of these. Not good ones anyway, so I'm glad to get this. Okay, so that's the first item, and this is a full size, and this is valued at $12. So there you go. Put that right there. I have a bunch, like in my brush holder, I have one side of my brush holder. It's that square one I showed you in one of my videos. I have all the brushes that are like, you know, open and used, and clean, by the way, in one side of it, and then I have a ton of brushes that are still in the package on this side. It's so weird. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is this. Let's see. Oh, and if you don't know about Ipsy, this is Ipsy GlamBag. It's worth, it costs $12 plus tax, which is $12.72. Shipping is free. They do have GlamBag Plus for $25 plus tax. Shipping is free. And also the Ultimate, which is $50 a month plus tax, and shipping is free. But I don't do that one. I don't do the GlamBag Plus. I'm thinking about it. Maybe next month. Okay, so here I'm pulling out, what is this? What is this? This, oh yeah, glasses please. This is called Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. Okay, so you know I'm always down for, my glasses are super dirty. Okay, Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. Am I recording? Yes, okay. So this is what it looks like right here. It says whether it's because of late nights, early mornings, or just life. That's me. Dark circles happen. Say that again. This lightweight under eye cream is packed with hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture, chamomile, cucumber, aloe, and aloe vera to majorly hydrate while brightening skin and relieving puffiness. Okay, I definitely need that. And it just says tap a pea-sized amount on your under eye and gently smooth using your ring finger. Retail value is, full-size version of this product is $27. This is a deluxe sample, so, I mean, that's not bad. It's an eye that's you know, they last long. Okay, so that's number 2. When I reach in here, let me see, what am I pulling out? I can't remember what I picked. I don't know. I have the Kaleidoscope Cosmetic Skin Blush in Prima Donna. Yep, nope, what? Where does it say? I don't see the shade. What are you talking about? Doesn't say no shade on the box. Let me see. Well, this is what the packaging looks like right here, guys, okay? Let me see. Come on, really? I can't get it out. Okay, so it comes like this. It looks like, I don't know, like a little, I don't know what it looks like. Reminds me of something, like a pill thing you put in your purse. I don't know. Okay, so this is, yeah, No. What did I say? Did I say kaleidoscope? I did, didn't I? Oh, gosh. This is Kaleido. I think it's Kaleido or Kaleido. Kaleido or Kaleido Cosmetic Skin Blush in Prima Donna. Of course, it says that on here. Nothing feels more like spring than a flush of pink color. This buildable blush formula goes on subtle to bold with ease, depending on your mood. Plus, it's made with plant-based ingredients, so it's healthy for your skin, and it's cruelty and vegan-free. Talc-free, phthalate-free, and paraben-free. It's free, and I don't know how to open it. Okay, well, if I break another nail, I had to cut all my nails, guys, and I didn't even polish them. I apologize. Oh, okay, so that's kind of cute. Yeah, I like that. That's me. There you go. There's the shade. It does have a little bit of a mirror there, so I'm going to... I like that it has a mirror. It's not a very good... Oh, it has a thing on it. That's why I have to say it's not a very good mirror. It's all blurry. There you go. Okay, so... Full size manufactured $8. So this is a full size. Yeah, that's a full size. So that's valued at $8. Okay, so that's the third product, I think. And then this one I'm pulling out here. I have, this is the, I don't know how to say the name of this. Oryza. Eyeshadow Beauty Nude Shimmer and Contour Eyeshadow Palette. And I think this is what I picked. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Is this the last one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, there's one more. Okay. Yeah, so I think, oh, come on. Really? There's a plastic on everything. Okay, so I guess I shouldn't complain. All right, especially with everything that's going on. Okay, so I don't want to rip it. Okay, so, or scratch the container. So this is it looks, oh, no. Please do not tell me to smash. I never really gotten anything from Ipsy broken, ever, in all my time. I can say that. Never. Even when I got my GlamBag Plus, I don't think nothing was broken. When I used to get it, but I stopped getting when I started doing them collabs. But I am seriously thinking about going back, so you might be seeing that on the channel. Okay, so this is the Shimmer and Contour Eyeshadow Palette. This travel size palette has 4 silky smooth shades. Okay, it's not broken. Whew, I thought it was. It doesn't have a mirror, okay, so I can hold it up and show you. Let me show you like this so you can see the true colors. That's cute. I mean, that's a good... I don't like that there's 4 shimmers. There should be 2 and 2, but, I mean, I could make that work if I had to in a pinch. So, I mean, it's a good size. You can put it in your bag, and the colors are pretty cool. I don't know about the shimmer. See, I always like my shimmers to be light, really light. Like, light and very light, but, like, this would be... like in the middle part of my eye, but then I would need something lighter to go from like the middle over. But anyway, okay, so there it is. That's 4 eyeshadows. I believe, yes, this is the matte down here. Then you have the 3 shimmers, okay? So it says, nothing feels more like spring. Oh, that's the wrong one. Travel size palette has 4 silky smooth shades that range from warm nude to metallic rose gold. Each is made, which I kind of like rose gold. Each is made from rice-based ingredients as well as oils, vitamins, and essential fatty acids that are healthy for your skin. Wear them alone or together. They last all day without creasing or fading. So that's a good thing to know. So there's that. I'm going to put that back in the little bubble thingy because I be dropping everything. Breaking stuff before I even get to open it. Oh, yeah. That's me. That is me. I haven't been too bad lately because I've been extra special careful. Oh, I don't know what that's saying. Hang on, I'm going to unplug you because something said something. I hope the voice matches the lips. Sometimes that happens and I got to erase the whole film. Okay, so the last thing I have, besides the bag, is, I'm just going to set that down, is this. No, what is this? Neogen Dermalogy Real Vita C Serum. Holy crap, that's small. Okay, but it's a vitamin C serum. Oh, it's in a black bottle too. Plastic bottle. Okay, so that's what, can you see that? That's what it looks like there. It says, warmer weather means more time outside, so it's essential to protect your skin. Protect your skin. The potent and stable form of vitamin C used in this serum helps prevent free radical damage from pollution, UV, and blue light. Plus, it ups collagen production while fading dark spots to brighten the skin. Yes, 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 and oh hell yes. So it says, remember now, it says stable form of vitamin C, which I would still put this in the fridge. That's where it's going. But when they say stable, it's supposed to be, from what I heard, now don't quote me, but more or better, or be able to last outside. Like, you don't have to put it in the dark and all that. But I still do anyway, so there's that. And the retail value of this, oh, the eyeshadow palette, the retail value, full size, is $19.95. So, oh, that's a travel size. So I guess there's a bigger one than that. I don't know. I guess. It says full size on it. Usually it'll say deluxe. No, this says full size, $19.95. What? So that's 20 bucks for that little thing. That's crazy. Okay, this is a deluxe sample, and the full version of this is $38. But this is a deluxe sample. It says after toner, apply a few drops of the serum all over and follow up with moisturizer. So there you have it. And then of course we have the bag, guys. And you know what? I kind of like this bag because it has a bamboo. Like, it feels, I don't know if it is real bamboo. It kind of, no, maybe not. I don't know. I can't tell if that's real bamboo. It does have Ipsy imprinted right there, if you can see that. And then it is a cute bag. It's like a lavendery-ish lilac color. And then the inside is got the Ipsy logo right there. And then that is actually the handle. That's pretty cool. I like that. I would probably use this for sure, like in my bag. Definitely. Like I said, I use these to send out prizes or just when I want to send a gift or something. Or I separate my stuff so I know where it is. Yeah. So I like that. There's the pattern on it. These look like, I don't know, fireflies or something. I guess that's what they are. I don't know. Like they're definitely not a flower. I mean, maybe they are a flower. I don't know. I can't tell what they are, but there you go. So that's the bag, guys. That is Ipsy. That's what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. Everyone's is different. Yeah, maybe next month I'll do the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. All right, guys. Thank you very much for joining me. And for those of you who are just joining me and are new here, thank you so much for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. You are now one of my friends, and you are part of this family on YouTube that I have. That is a wonderful family. Great people, great times. I love each and every one of them. If you aren't subscribed and you are watching this video, please take a chance. Dive in and turn that button from red to gray. And everyone, put up your bells so that you're notified every time I upload. And please, oh please, until I see you in the next video, keep each other safe and take care of each other as well. See you guys. Mwah.